Hi guys, it's Jessalyn Marie and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can probably see, my makeup's looking a little janky. But that's because I'm going to be testing out Kylie Cosmetics setting powder and concealer. I haven't tried these yet, so this is going to be like a full first time review. And so I'm going to be trying them on now and telling you how they apply and stuff like that. And then I have an event to go to, which is why I'm dressed up. And then after that, I'm going to come back and film and let you guys know how it stayed on throughout the day and standard things you want in makeup, good quality stuff that lasts. I've just had such a great experience with Kylie products so far. I mean, I've only tried out her liquid lipsticks and then her cream lipstick things, and then I've tried her eyeshadow. Her lipsticks, great, grand. 10 out of 10 would recommend. But then her eyeshadow, on the other hand, it had a little bit of fallout, which was kind of an issue for me. But other than that, since I'm gonna cut it some slack because they were purple shades that I got. I have the purple palette, and so of course there's gonna be fallout with purple shades, but I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started. First, starting off with concealer. I have mine in the shade Pearl because I'm pale as a ghost, and so yeah, I'm gonna just apply it like I would, so that way it'll be normal. I don't like to put, this is why my makeup's looking crazy right now, I don't like to put foundation on where I put my concealer because my face, like I said in the video with Marie, my pores are huge. So if I put concealer on where foundation already is, it looks so cakey and disgusting. So I learned this trick and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So I just apply it under my eyes and on my nose. It looks really pretty when I first apply it and stuff. It smells kind of chemically, but it's concealer, so. But her lipstick smells so good, so yeah. But it applies really smoothly, so now I'm just gonna blend it out. My first review of this, so I am pretty impressed. It's a little light for me, but that's not Kylie's fault. That's just me not knowing what skin tone I am. I'd call this a pretty medium coverage concealer. Maybe you can probably build it up to be full coverage, but since it's pale for me, I don't want it to be full coverage. But I'm probably gonna end up putting foundation down right here, not directly under my eye, but right here, because it looks really good under my eye. It really helped cover dark circles. But like I said before, with my pores, I struggle with this issue so much, and you can see my pores through the concealer, which is slightly annoying, but under my eye it looks really good. I'm overall pretty impressed. I wouldn't say that it's matte. I know that some people have said that. In my opinion, it's not. Maybe it will look matte when I set it in place, but right now it's not looking very matte. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation down, and then I'll be back to talk about the powder. Okay, so I'm back and I have it all blended out everywhere, except I ended up not putting it on my nose because it's pale, so I didn't want my nose to look whiter than the rest of my face, so I just put foundation on my nose. It looks a whole lot better now that I put my foundation on right here where my pores show a whole lot, and it blended pretty well with my foundation, so that's always a plus. Now that I covered my pores with my foundation, I'm actually pretty impressed overall with how it hides my dark spots under my eyes. I haven't seen a whole lot of creasing yet. Maybe throughout the day that's not how it'll look, but who knows, I guess time will show. But now I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Kylie Cosmetics setting powder that she just released. I just got this mail a couple days ago, so I have not tried this yet. I got mine in the shade Translucent because my skin is translucent because I'm pale. But I really like the packaging. Like, this is cute. Like, I live for that. And so the nice thing about with getting the shade Translucent, it's not white like most setting powders are when you get translucent ones. But if you get a white translucent setting powder, you have a lot more chance of getting flashback. So I don't want that. But another cool thing that she did was she put holes all around like the top of the ring. And I know some of them that I have just have it on like half, which I don't understand, but like whatever. And so it's nice because having them like that won't make you use too much setting powder. So it just looks like that. And I'm going to get it with a Morphe M501 brush. And I use this brush to put stuff under my eyes. Overall, it feels like very soft and light, which I like. I'm honestly pretty impressed. It's very light. So like I couldn't tell that I was putting it on my face when I put it on my face. And then after I put it on my face, it feels like a little thick. But I'd rather have it feel thick than like not being there. So I'm just gonna apply that to the rest of my face. The real test though will be if it helps the foundation right here on my nose stay, and if it helps me from creasing right here. So that'll be the real test as to if you should get this or not, because those are my problem areas. Okay, so it is, I noticed, a little bit clumpy when I dump it out. When I get it on my brush it's not, but just like dumping it in, it kind of is. Okay, I do like how it applies to the rest of my face. So now that it's applied, I do like how it looks like overall. So I'll be back later on to let you guys know how it stays on throughout the day. Okay, so I'm back and my concealer has stayed on so well. And I'm actually very, very impressed. There wasn't any creasing that was like super noticeable. I mean, there was a little bit, but of course you're gonna get that. However, some of it did like kind of come off a little bit, like right here. It didn't come off, it just had less coverage throughout the day, but it still looks super good. And the powder stayed on very nicely. Like, my makeup is still all nice and intact. I didn't have any creasing right here. I did lots of smiling and don't have any creasing. And then the one thing I'm so impressed and thankful for is no makeup came off right here, which is the one spot that always drives me crazy with the setting powder that I used to use, because I'm definitely using this from now on. So I hope you got some information from this video, and I hope this helped out. And if you have the chance and the money, go ahead and you should get this powder for sure. For sure get the powder. Concealer, I mean, you can do what you want, but in my opinion, it's really great. But like, Tarte Shape Tape is good too. Like, I wouldn't say that this is like so much better than Tarte Shape Tape, but like, it's pretty good. So I have less creasing with this than I do with Tarte Shape Tape, so like, that's a plus, and that's easier to blend. But it's all, it depends on your skin type, it depends on everything, yeah. But you should definitely for sure get the powder, because the powder is great. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JesslynMarieB, Twitter at JesslynMarie1, and my Snapchat is Jesslyn1001. If you want to see how I did my eyeshadow and you want to like recreate this look, you can go check out my full glam eyeshadow makeup tutorial, because yeah.